Hello, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly walk you through our new on the lot 2014 Dodge Dart. This is a nice value compact sedan. Comes in black paint with a black leather interior. Great mileage on this vehicle, we'll get to that shortly. Nice plush leather seats. And the benefit of an Alpine sound system. Coming around to the second row here, you have nice plush seats again. Nice amounts of leg space and head space. One of the biggest notes that you'll see here is that this vehicle does have a blacked out headliner, giving it a more upscale feel, and it's pretty rare for this class of vehicle. You also get a nice little sunroof right there. Coming around to the cargo space, you'll notice that there is no handle. It is instead a small little button that you can press here, hidden away beside the Dodge logo. That will give us access to the cargo hold. Left side and right side have their cutouts, so you can maximize the volume here. And cargo can be expanded with a 60/40 rear bench seat. This vehicle is well reconditioned. Brand new tires on the vehicle, and we have switched out the brakes. For details, please reach out to us and we can provide you with our full reconditioning report. Driver's seat has power adjustability and leather. All your regular window controls there. Jumping on in, you do have automatic lights. Classic Dodge steering wheel with screen controls on the left, phone and voice control. You also have the cruise control on the right side. You do have buttons hidden away on the back of the steering wheel. These will actually control your media completely with your volume and song skipping. This vehicle has 121,363 kilometers. Nice large screen here, touch screen. That's an image of the backup camera here. Climate control is off at the moment, but you do have heated seats and heated steering wheel. You also have the benefit of having a dual control automatic here, so you can have different temperatures set for the driver and passenger side of the vehicle. You have the benefit here of also having remote start, as you can see in the key fob, helping you out with the cold Canadian winters. You also have a 12-volt outlet here in the little cubby. Coming around to the center armrest here with your two cup holders right there. You have a CD player, 12-volt outlet, USB, and auxiliary. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Just wanted to quickly walk you through this amazing value piece that we have here on the lot with very low mileage and spectacular condition for 2014. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions that you may have. Once again, this is Jason over at Valley Volkswagen. Take care.